Let's make Italian biscotti, also called Cantucci. This recipe is so simple. Let's add all the dry ingredients into the bowl. First of all, flour, sugar and almonds, pinch of salt, and baking powder. Now mix all of the dry ingredients. Vanilla extract, a touch of honey, add 2 eggs, the zest of half a lemon, and the zest of half an orange. Now mix it all together till there is no more dry flour. Place the dough on top and gently work it so it's nice and flat and a rectangular shape. Now bake it all at 170 degrees for about 20 minutes until nice and golden on top. And it's ready. Now let it cool down for 15 minutes before cutting it. You want to cut them about 1 finger thick, just like this. Place them back in a tray, flat side down, ready for the second baking. That is why they call biscotti. Biscotto, double cooked. Now back in the oven at 160 for 10 minutes. The smell, it's incredible. They are ready after the second bake and they can be enjoyed nice and warm, still a little bit soft, then with vin santo or with a cup of coffee. Or you can just put them in a jar and bring them for Christmas.